How to change language on Bybit application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using Bybit and want to switch the app to a different language, then first of all launch the Bybit app open on your mobile device and then go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. You'll then end up in this page where you need to select the settings icon at the top right corner. This will open the user center where you'll see a glove icon at the top right. Just tap on that and choose from the available language options. Browse the list of available language and select the one you want to use. After making the selection, you will be able to change your display language setting to something else. So there you have it. That's how you change the language on Bybit application. You can switch languages again anytime by following the same steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.